Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Online Property Management System, and the abstract of the project is Property Management System is the daily oversight of residential, commercial or industrial real estate by a third-party contractor. Generally, property managers take responsibility for day-to-day repairs and ongoing maintenance and upkeep of properties. They usually work for the owners of investment properties such as apartments and condominium complexes, private home communities, shopping centers, and industrial parks. We propose to build a real estate portal that allows users to post property for sale as well as search for property and contact its owner online. It also consists of an innovative features that allows user to post review of the dealing process with the buyer after their deal. Real estate is a type of business of dealing, buying, renting land, structures and services. Real estate agencies' duties includes to give the property on the rent or differentially to rent the property. Properties like constructing retail spot, apartments, houses, bungalows, etc. Numerous people search for property for numerous purposes like hearthstone, services, faculty and etc. And the continuation of abstract is every individual wants his house to be in the stylish position with stylish installations. Services should be near the coast area in order to increase the deals and productivity. So this real estate system provides the functionality for buyers by allowing them to look out for houses by features or addresses. It provides functionality for the dealer, authorize them to log into the system and add new announcements or cancels being bounds. For this, each owner is handled a login account with login ID and password. The flow diagram of the process consists of two set of modules like admin module and user module. So in user module is consisting agent, user and builders. So in that the admin module, the admin can log in into the system and he has the full authority to control the website, and admin can manage the all users, like he can delete the users, and the admin can add or delete or edit the property, and he can also add or edit or delete the states and cities feedbacks and aborts of the system. So in client module, every user must register into the online property management system. If they already registered, means they can directly log in into the system. After get into the system, the user can view the property and also submit their own properties, and the users can edit or delete their own property, and they can send feedback about the website, and also all the users can contact the admin by sending the message. I am going to run my project in XAMPP control panel by using Apache server through MySQL server. So I am going to start the Apache server and MySQL server. So this is the PHP MyAdmin site. This is the localhost page of PHP MyAdmin. So in that I have already added my dataset. So I have to directly get into my online property management system. So this is the home page for property management system. So these are all the recent properties that's are by the users and agents. So this is the overall home page for our online property management system. In that is consist of, this is the upload page for property management system, and this is the contact details of our property management system. And these are the properties that are added by the users and agents. So in that we can view the agents. So now I am going to log in into the admin page. So this is the admin login. Admin username is admin and password is also admin. So this is the dashboard for admin. So in that admin can delete the users, and also he can delete the agents and builders. So in that the admin can only add the states and cities for online property management system. So these are the property that's added by the users and agents. So in that admin can also edit and also he can delete the properties. So he can also add the property in his own website. So this is the contact. The users can directly contact to the admin by sending the message. So this is the message from the users. So and this is the feedback of our website. So this is the about page. So if you want to add the content to the about page, you can directly edit through here. So this is the overall control for the admin for online property management system. So the register user is one, agent is also one, and builder is also one. Two properties that are added into our website and two houses are added into our website. So in on sale, the two properties are in on sale. So you can check the profile of the admin. So now I am going to log in into the I am logging into the agent. So in that this is the user side. So these are all the user sides. In that user can submit their own property by adding here. So he can also check his profiles and contact directly, send the feedbacks and contact to the admin. So this is the property. So in that users can check the property and he can also calculate the installment of the prices. So the property price is 85 lakhs. So duration here is 0.5. So the pay per month is only 17 lakhs 8,500 for 5 months only. So these are all the overview of the property management system.